Today we'd like to talk about installing and using Atlas iOS on your AEP corporate iPad or iPhone. First thing you'll need to do is go to the AEP catalog. You'll need to install 3 apps from here. AEP Atlas or Atlas iOS need to be installed. You'll need to install Google Maps for GPS navigation. You'll also need to install Tunnel at the bottom. So once you have those 3 installed, you can open Atlas iOS. The first time you log in, you will need to sign in. It's your corporate login, and you'll need to download the maps, and I'll show you how to do that. After you have the maps downloaded to the device, you can hit skip and do not have to sign in. So for now, we're going to sign in. Enter my corporate credentials. Once I have my corporate credentials entered, I hit enter or continue. It'll bring me to all the maps for each district I can download. I'm going to install the Christiansburg district, select it, select OK. You'll see the percent downloading counting up. While this is doing this, you cannot leave this page or move off of it. If you close this page, it will mess up the download, so you want to leave it here. It can go to sleep though. Once your download is complete, you select OK. It'll take you where you can open the maps.